So we will cover here Jenkins Master and Slave. So already we have a Jenkins Master. So we'll name it either Jenkins Master. Okay.
Normal Jenkins, you're making it as Jenkins Master. Normal Jenkins.
We should this is Jenkins. Okay. So now
okay, you're making
besides
Jenkins Master.
Yeah, Jenkins Master, and from this node we'll add the another node. Okay.
Okay.
So in Jenkins Master already we have configured. So here you know the how to configure Jenkins on Ubuntu. Okay. So this is Ubuntu.
Installing the Jenkins on the server, right?
Yes, yes. So now we will add the one more slave instance into the Jenkins Master. So what is the requirement? So we have to configure any instance, then we have to let's connect and we have to install the Java. So here we will check the Java version of the Jenkins Master. So let's connect to this instance.
Java should be must.
Java should be must on the slave. Okay. So here we will check the Java version. Maybe we will keep the same Java version. Okay. So
yeah, I think we installed 11 version. I think so.
11, yes. So here Java. Java 11 is here. So now we will create one more instance that act as a slave. Okay, we will add that node in the Jenkins Master. So we will create one more instance. On that slave, we don't need to install the Jenkins.
Java.
Okay.
Jenkins.
Only Java. Okay, only Java. Okay.
So why we are creating slave? Because of the due to the load.
Sometime so if your project load also, if Java project you want to run on Jenkins Master, okay, and in Jenkins Slave you want to run the PHP job, okay, or Node.js.
What job?
PHP code or Node.js.
Okay.
So depend upon the job. If you want to run the Node.js application, means on the slave you will set up the Node.js.
Okay. Then it will be not mismatch, right?
Yes.
So because of load, because of different core, different languages, we are installing slave.
Or one more reason is that
okay,
some package is there. Okay, like we will take example that. So there are two environments. Okay, so like same code we have to install the Linux based OS, and same we have to deploy on the Windows based system. So whatever the Windows based, now we'll create a one Windows system. That Windows system will add on the slave. And in Linux, commands should be different and Linux commands should be different for the same code. So that time also we need a slave with a different OS.
Sorry, what you're telling is if your master is Windows and if the slave should be Ubuntu, that should be also a condition.
That also condition. Means same code, there is a same code. Okay. Same code we have to deploy on the Windows as well as Linux. Okay, Ubuntu. But deploying the code Linux is a different command. And
yes, exactly.
Windows should be different commands. And so we need a slave with the proper Windows system.
Yeah, because both we cannot deploy into the same instance. So that we'll create a two instance and we can install in Windows 1 and we can install other instance to Ubuntu.
Correct. Also, or distribute the load also. Okay, there are some. So you can.
Is that reality that it will do in your live projects? Like the same code will be deployed in Windows and same code will be deployed in Ubuntu? Is that scenario is going on the live projects?
Some rare case. Okay.
But main thing is the load issue.
So load distribution.
Okay, got it.
So we can distribute the load. Okay. So here we have Jenkins Master. We have configured Jenkins Master. We have installed Jenkins here. So here. So now we'll add the one slave node. So here we'll
New instance.
yes.
So this we should create medium only, yeah?
Yes.
Or free tier only. Okay.
Yes, we will pre-tier is enough because now we are going to test only on sample job. Okay. So here same instance. Then tier.
So micro is enough, huh?
Yes.
But
yes.
in the real time they will give real.
Yes. So this also size is enough. Then we click on add tags, then the security group, then select existing security group, and we have to open the port like 8.
So this here is the question, like why you're every time you should select default or anything we can select. Like every time you will be selecting default. Why?
But why to create a new security group every time?
Okay.
It will increase now.
Cost will be increased.
Yes, cost will be increased. Okay. So here we are using default and we have opened the port 8080 recommended port 22 that we have to open. So then click on the review and launch, then click on launch. Then let's select the key pair. So here we have to download the PEM file. Okay. So PEM file is a must. We have to add in a slave node. So here we have already the PEM file. Okay.
Oh, not PPK. We should add PEM file for the slave. Huh?
Yes, in Jenkins Master we have to add the PEM file content. Okay.
No. Generally, we'll add. We'll
PPK.
make a
We
PPK
will connect
content.
PPK. We will connect PPK, but we can connect to the slave using the PPK file. But actually, while to add the Jenkins slave in the Jenkins master, we have to connect to the Jenkins slave now in the master. In that case, in connection method, we have to select SSH. There we have to add the PEM file content.
Okay, so no, both master slave should be PEM file, not PPK file. Huh?
No, to connect the slave, PPK is okay. Okay, we can connect to the slave, but to add slave na in a Jenkins in a master Jenkins master, we need a okay.
Okay, so master we should create with PPK file, but slave should be created with PEM file.
PPK we can using PPK we can connect. Okay, so here I had already PEM file. So let's click on launch instance, then click on view instance, then we will give name as the Jenkins slave. Jenkins slave -1. Okay, we have given the name Jenkins -slave-1. So let's connect to the slave node. Let's connect to the slave node. PPK. Okay, PPK here I have. So here we have the PPK. So now let's update the system packages on Jenkins slave. Sudo apt update.
So first we should update the master.
This is slave, okay, and this is the master.
Okay.
So here we will update the packages, then we will install the Java. So Java is
Java.
So let's install the OpenJDK 11.
No need of installing Jenkins, only Java is enough.
Java is enough. So, yeah.
So this concept you will be really dial time you using in real time. Master slave real time you will be using.
Yes.
So is there any notes for this? Any document?
Yes, here only a small steps only here. Okay. So I will share you a link. Okay.
Okay.
So I will update a link, okay, on our blog. So it's done. So let's wait. Okay. So open JDK install. Let's change our version. So on Jenkins Slave, we have installed the OpenJDK one. So now, then we have to create a one directory here. Okay. So to it will store all the logs. Okay. All the logs. This directory we have to add in a Jenkins master. So all the jobs whichever we run, it will store here. So our current directory is home Ubuntu. Here we'll create a directory sudo mkdir. Then let's give the permission. Jenkins AWD project directory. So this is a slave node. We have installed the Java. Then slave node we have created one directory Jenkins. So now let's log
Created
in
Jenkins folder. Huh?
Jenkins folder. Okay. Now we'll log into the Jenkins master. So in Jenkins master to add the node. So here we have to go to the manage Jenkins, then manage node and click on manage node and clouds.
Okay.
So left side we have the option new node. So let's give the name Jenkins slave -1. Here we have to select permanent agent. Then you click on OK. So here we have given the Jenkins slave 1. So here we will given that this is the slave 1. Then number of executor, how many job at a time we have to run. So here we can give the number of 5, 10, whatever.
Like number of slaves, how many? As a vision.
Not slave, number of execution. How many jobs this slave can run.
Okay. If you give 5, only 5. Below 5, you cannot do like after.
No, any job. 1, 2, 3, any 10.
Okay.
Any we are giving and remote directory. So all it will store the all job location, all the logs.
Output, sir. Okay.
Yes, logs output. So here we will give this location.
Oh, that's why you created folder for this.
Yes. So label will give the Jenkins slave same one. Then here we have the option use node as much as possible or only build job with a label expression matching this node. So generally depend upon the project, we can use this option, use this node as much as possible, use build job using matching node any. So,
okay.
So generally we will select this one, use this node as much as possible. Then launch method, how the master Jenkins master will connect to the slave. So here we have the launch agent by connecting to the master, launch agent via execution of command on the controller, or launch agent SSH. So here we will select the option launch agent via SSH. Then host. So in host, we will add the Jenkins slave IP. So here let's copy this IP. Here. Then credential, we have to add the credential spam file. Okay. So here we have to give. So let's remove the existing one. Let's open duplicate Java Jenkins master. So job. Then
This is slave, right?
Yes, no, this is
It's master. Master.
in slave there is no Jenkins. So let's remove the existing slave. It's an option. Okay. Let's delete it. So here we'll click Jenkins. So here we have to select the username with password. Here we have the private key. So SSH username with private key. Here we will use the ID, same ID Jenkins -slave -1. Then let's do the name. Username is Ubuntu. Then here we have to copy the PEM file. So here we will give the enter directly. So here click on add. Then here we have to go to the PEM file location. So here the PEM file.
Okay.
So here we have to copy the PEM file location. Miss all the content.
That's why you're containing slave with the PEM file.
Yes.
Okay.
And miss, we have connected SSH using PEM file, but we need a PEM file. Okay. So PEM file content. So we have pasted here. Then click on add. Here we will select the Jenkins Ubuntu Jenkins Slave 1. Then here we have the option non-host file verification strategy here. So now for now we have to select this non-verifying verification strategy. Click on this option. Then keep agent as online possible. Here we have the option. So let's select default one. Then click on save. So now master is, but slave is not in sync. So let's click on this one.
So when you create this one, slave, you're not created, right? How it came? Slave one.
We have added now
Okay, okay.
in sync. This is only configure. Now we have given the name Jenkins Slave 5.
The new node you added, right? That node is
Yes.
Jenkins slave.
Yes, new node Jenkins.
So already
Slave.
master will be there in Jenkins. Defaultly master will be there in Jenkins.
Yes,
Okay.
master will be there as it master. But on slave, we are not installing Jenkins. Just
Exactly.
adding here.
So
Okay.
that's why you gave 5, you gave building exit strategy as 5. Ideally.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So here credential ID. Then
Now you create the slave mission.
yes.
Master.
Yes, this is a master. Yes, slave. Both are in sync. Here we can here we can check the log script console. Okay.
So you can write the script.
Here we can check the logs. Okay, logs. Agent successfully connected and online. Okay. So both master in sync, slave in sync. Now we will run one sample job on Jenkins Slave.
Okay.
So go to this one.
So we should cut both. We should connect it, right? 2 instances should be connected, right?
Yes. Both should be in a sync. In a sync. Okay. So now we'll create one sample pipeline. So let's give a name atom. Give name Jenkins Slave -1. Then select the pipeline. Click on OK to run job. Then here we have the sample job only. So here we have the script. Okay, this let's add this one. So here pipeline agent we have to select the agent on which node it will run. So last time we have selected the agent any, means it will run job on any. So label we have given our name is Jenkins Slave -1. See this, manage Jenkins name Jenkins Slave -1. So agent label Jenkins Slave 1. Just it says hello, then just hello world. Okay, then keep an apply, save. Then let's build it. Here, job is success. Now let's check console output. Here you can check that running on Jenkins Slave 1 in home Ubuntu Jenkins workspace slave job.
Then if you go to instance, it will show the output.
Let's go to in slave home Ubuntu Jenkins. Okay, here it is showing running on Jenkins 1. Home Ubuntu Jenkins workspace. So let's go to the master. What is home Ubuntu Jenkins workspace Jenkins Slave job? Running on this one. It's not getting any break here. It's showing running, but nothing is showing.
No, you should connect with the SSH key, right? The Jenkins master with the slave, you should connect from that through SSH key.
No, we have connected, no? Both are online.
No, both are online. I'm telling the instances. Here, the master instance, master SSH key, you should connect with the slave instance key, right?
No, here we are connected, no? Both are in.
No, I'm not telling not you. I'm dealing with the instances which you created, EC2 instances. We should copy the master SSH key to the slave, right? Then only both will be on sync, right?
No, that is not like this one. In AWS, not like this one. So it will. So let's try another one. So let's create one. So here. Job is running. So let's try another one. Jenkins Slave. So let's create another job. It is running, it is showing running, but this folder is not in sync, both are in sync. So let's go to the master. It's showing here only. CD, yeah. No, that job is not showing here. Actually, that job is not showing in a master. It is running only on this one, but let's
UI. It's running on UI, but it's not showing in the instances.
yes, not showing that folder. So here we'll check option what it is. Job. It is running on the slave. So let's create one more job. So here, new atom freestyle. Okay. Then here,
Now you're creating the freestyle job. No?
so create a freestyle job. Let's see. So only our message is only just hello world, and that's why it is maybe that is not showing, but actually it shows. Yes, from let's copy from freestyle. Exporting freestyle. Let's main. Let's click to one more here. CD. Then here we have the option. Whether this can be run. Label expression, let's do Jenkins. Yes, it is coming here, Jenkins Slave Node. No agent cloud, adjust this label. In sync. Yes, so matches one node. So let's give this one. Then apply. Let's save. Then let's build it.
So what happened? The restrictive of telling so
Hmm?
the restrictive of something you changed. What happened?
There was extra space. Extra means that job only should run on the mentioned slave node. Cloning repository. Home. Okay, this is recommended to listener. Home Ubuntu workspace Jenkins Slave 2. So now we should create a job here. Yes, now it got created. See this. The workspace job is here. Okay, that was a simple message, so it was not showing. But now
So previously, why it's not connected?
that was only just a normal message. Hello world, hello world. That's why he's not created directly. Got it?
So my doubt is that. So can you go to the AWS once?
Yes.
Can you go to AWS?
Hmm.
See, here there will be SSH key, right? So with that they will connect from master to slave. So they will copy that SSH key and they'll paste it in slave and they both will connect it through SSH key. So why you are not connecting like that?
No, in our case now, we have to add this private key, means spam file of this instance.
Sorry, what?
PEM file of master slave
Okay.
into the master.
No. So while creating the slave instance, you are giving PIM file, not PPK file. That's what you're telling.
So I have generated both PEM and PPK. Okay. So we have to this instance on using. Okay, putty it does not accept PEM file. Correct.
PPK file only it will accept. Yes.
Yes. If you are the mobile external, you don't need to generate the PPK file. So
only
you can
PIM file is
direct.
needed.
Yes, PEM file is.
So now without connecting the SSK, you're telling that I connected with the PIM file.
Yes.
Both instances you can.
Yes.
Okay, but some members will connect through SSH key, right?
In between they will connect using the private master will connect to the slave using that PEM file. We are right now in the master node.
Yeah, but some members will connect through SSH key. That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
Like, okay, why is there any difference? Like both are same only.
No, means a connection method is SSH. Yes.
So can you show me any example, real-time example? Another example, can you show me?
No, we have shown this one. This is a standard one, means in AWS. But if you have the other one infrastructure now, in cloud infrastructure now, what they will do, they will exchange a key pair between the master and the worker. Means master.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Yes, but in a cloud now, this AWS, this method is preferable. Prefers.
So in the real time, if a company asks that, then I can with like this, what you tell?
Yes, yes, same. If you are using the AWS cloud, now same.
Okay. So that's all, huh?
Yes,
Anything
this.
to be said.
Let me stop.
Can I share my screen?